Hello there. I'm going to do another simple technique with paint pouring today using again Extreme Sheen Paints from DecoArt. Just using up colours that I have used in the previous videos. And today I'm going to do a Dutch pour using black for my base colour, which is Montmartre Lamp Black mixed 1-to-1 with my pouring medium. And the colours I'm using on it are going to be Extreme Sheen Ruby, Extreme Sheen Bronze and Extreme Sheen Pearl, which is one that I don't use very much, so I'm looking forward to seeing how that comes out. And I'm going to try doing it slightly differently this time. It'll still be a simple pour, but instead of just putting my colours down and then my cushion of paint around it, putting it over my colours and blowing out, I want to try going from this corner here to down to this corner here in gradual colours to see what I can get. Or gradual piles of colour, I should say. So I'll start now. that is as far as I'm going to go with it. I have just done a bit of straw blowing and I can see a few cells coming through, or lacing, which is caused by, of course, the Extreme Sheen Paints, which is brilliant. So now I'm going to give it a blow with my blowtorch to see if I can find any more cells, and to get rid of the bubbles, which do tend to form a lot more when I'm what I call manipulating the paint around the canvas. This is a different sized canvas to what I normally use for this type of painting. I was given it, instead of being a 12-inch by 16-inch, it's actually a 12-inch by 18-inch, which gives it that little bit of extra length. So I'm going to walk away from it for a little while now, just to see if any more cells actually pop through. And when I come back, I will bring this painting up to the camera to show you a close-up. Okay, I've actually been gone close to half an hour, and I can already see the difference that the time has made with bringing out the cells and lacing in the painting. So now I will bring it up closer to the light, and I've got beautiful sunlight coming in to my art room, so that will pick up some of it. So I've got that corner up there, which for me is the top left hand corner, and I'll go across the middle where there is some lacing and cells across there. I'll take it into the sunlight to see if it picks up that beautiful bronze colour. And then we have got this corner here with a few cells. There seem to be more cells along the corners than what there is in the middle, possibly a higher concentration of paint in the middle. This, I just absolutely love that patch right there of all the cells, and the ruby is such a pretty colour. And the pearl has done pretty well. It's muted, which is what I like when I'm doing this sort of painting. And this is the first time that I've actually done a Dutch pour in basically what I call layers. And I'm very happy with the way it has come out. So that's it for me today. Thank you very much for joining me, and I'll see you next time.